autumn olive berries. These are incredibly healthy for us. And yeah, they're invasive, but it doesn't matter. That means you can pick to your heart's content. And why would you want to do that? Well, number one, they taste great. They have 17 times more lycopene than tomatoes per gram. And when you cook them, that lycopene becomes more readily available. Watch out for those barbs, though, when you're picking them. They can hurt. Right there. And these can be used in so many different ways. Of course, jams and jellies. They have a lot of vitamin C, E, beta-carotene, lutein, which means they are incredible for eye health. Invasive, absolutely. I think I already said that. But does it matter? No, because I intend on getting as many of these as I can. Because I love the flavor, I love working with these in the kitchen, and I love what they do for our health. Now, what's next? What am I going to do with all these? Okay, so this is round one that has been completed in terms of picking, although I'm sure there's going to be at least another 2 or 3 rounds. And I'm not going to show you what I'm going to do with these physically in the kitchen because I already have created a lot of goodies with these. So I'm just going to show you some images right now. And the links to the recipes are going to be below in the description. That was some of the creations that I have done with these incredible berries. I hope I've inspired you to get out there and pick these wonderful berries instead of just sitting at home complaining about them, because this is a valuable source of food. And in today's world, we need more free food that's extremely healthy for us. And you're looking at it. Thanks for watching, everybody.